This one is clear. Looking for, we're going 11. Departure. Taipei. Here it is. With Eva Air. I'm inside Milan Airport. Terminal 1. Over there, I see 18. Check-in area 18. Going to drop my bags, my check-in luggage. My first time to take the Eva Air. Going to Taipei from Milan, then Taipei to Cebu. I hope it's going to be a good flight. Long line now. Oh, let me see. Gulf Air. I have to go to Eva Air. It's in here. Long line already. Because our flight is 11 and it's already 8:45. I'm going here in the bag drop because I already checked in through internet online. We're almost near to the gate 55. That sculpture also. Slow. I think during the takeoff, we can see the Alps with snow. Oh, it's quite far, the gate 5. More. Now here we are in the gate 55. You have to wait for boarding. Have to find a seat. Boarding now. I will board last, I think, later. And there are only few remaining passengers so that I can find a few lines of seats vacant and I can lay down. It's a trick. We are boarding now. I hope I can find vacant seats for me to lay down. I will board last. Soon I will be in Cebu, where I can't help it. Boarding now. We're going to board Eva Air. My first time to take Eva Air. I hope it's comfortable. This is Eva Air. Here we are, Eva Air. It's not full today, the flight, so I have my own place to lay down. And today is a Chinese New Year. Ooh. Yes, happy Chinese New Year. Eva Air. We're flying, taking off in a while. Goodbye, Italy. See you on March. Leaving now. We will see the Alps. with snow this time when we take off. This is the Malpensa Airport, Terminal 1. Taking off in a while. Going to Taipei, Taiwan. Terminal 2 of Malpensa. Malpensa, Milan, Italy. We are above North Italy. Look at the Alps with snow. Swiss Alps. High-tech yung ano nila. Darkens. Yung ibang plane, may ano sila diyan, may blinds. Yeah. Spacious in a way. Lay down later. It's time for movies.
Ladies and gentlemen, Captain and our entire cabin crew, including 3.
They also have Wi-Fi on board. Our flight track from Milan going to Taipei. Taipei to Cebu later. It's time for lunch. They have available beef or pork. I'll choose the pork. Let's see. Some penny with pesto or something, fruits and mousse. I'll see that. This one, this is the pork with steamed rice and egg, some kind of adobo. Stewed pork. Asian food. So where are we by now? We are above somewhere in Nepal or somewhere in India. We are now halfway of our flight. Serving the second meal of the flight. I think it's a breakfast, early breakfast. Or chicken noodles or omelette. Choose the omelette. Fried noodles with chicken. Cheese omelette with veal sausage. I love this one. Omelette. This is refreshment or light breakfast. This is the second meal that we were going to have. I'll choose the omelette. There is also some salami and ham and cheese. Fruits. Let's see. Omelette with sausage and potatoes. Okay, not bad. It's not bad, the second meal. Omelette with cheese. We are almost there to Taipei, Taiwan. Still dark out there. And I have only 1 hour to change plane for my connecting flight to Cebu, Philippines. We have arrived Taipei, Taiwan. I have to catch another flight to Cebu. I'm now in the Philippines, waiting for the luggages. I'm now here in Mactan Airport.
Piove.
Cebu, but it's raining. Crossing Mactan Bridge to Cebu City.